What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Amazon renewed products. Are they any good? Let's find out. So, here we go. So, I've seen a couple of videos online of some other YouTubers have reviewed some Amazon renewed devices. And I'll be truthfully honest, personally, I'm not opposed to some refurb kit, depending on the quality. So I figured I'd give it a go. So I ordered a device that I seen on Amazon's renewed site, which I've been wanting to get my hands on for a while, but the opportunity's never arisen, and just by chance I happened to see it on here. So I ordered it. So literally came in this parcel bag and a bit of bubble wrap. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, that's a surprise. In case you're not aware, I ordered the Galaxy Fold 2 5G. And with it being a refurb product, I kind of expected it to come in some sort of generic packaging. But this has actually come in its original box, which I'm really surprised. So, if anybody has ever bought sort of grade A refurbished products, you would normally know that they do come in plain packaging and things like that there. So I'm really surprised to see this coming in its original packaging. So yeah, at least that gives me a little bit of an unboxing experience, if nothing else. So yeah, let's get a wee look at it and see what the condition's like. So. Okay, all the paperwork and bits and bobs are there. So, as you can see, that's it just in the box. Obviously there's no seals or anything on it, and there's a few fingerprints because obviously it has been used. If I could get it out in the box, that would be useful. So, as you can see, there's a lot of fingerprints and some dust and things like that on it there. So, I'd say what we'll do is I'll get my trusty microfiber out and we'll give it a clean and we'll see what the condition's like after a clean. In this day and age, if a microfiber cloth is not your best friend, I don't know what is. Especially with all these devices nowadays when they're all glossy and that sort of stuff. They're just an absolute fingerprint magnet. So, there it is after a quick clean with a microfiber. Not much in the way of scratches really. A couple of little sort of surface scratches there. Nothing overly major if I'm being truthfully honest. Wee scratch there. The body and the framework there of the phone itself is not too bad, bar a few little marks. There's no bad things or anything like that on it, which is a big plus. That's obviously the screen once it's folded over. A few little surface scratches there, but nothing deep or major. And as expected, there's not really any sort of marks on the inside. Need to be a real big mistake to scratch the inside of it. So yeah, not too bad. Like I say, it's a wee bit grubby. You can tell it's been used, but like I say, nothing that a good clean maybe wouldn't put right. You'd maybe think that it would be cleaned before it would be sold on, but especially in this current climate. So, let's see what else is in the box. Seeing as it is the original box. So yeah, there's an original cable that's been wrapped back up again. It is the original cable. And the Samsung charging brick. It's a bit scratched up, but it's the original brick. USB-C brick. And that's it. So, quite surprised actually that I wasn't expecting it to come in its original box and things like that there. So that's a nice sort of touch, to be honest. I've seen a lot of refurb phones coming from Amazon that haven't came in any sort of boxes. They've literally just come in a bit of bubble wrap and in a padded envelope. So that there was quite surprising. So this device is the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, 256 gig in Mystic Black. So I wanted to review this device for a while, but being a small tech YouTuber, it's hard for me to get my hands on these sorts of devices considering their price. So when I seen this on the Amazon Renewed, I thought, perfect. That's the perfect opportunity for me to pick this up and get hands on with it. I know I'm a bit late to the party with it, but is what it is. So what I will do is I will get this set up and I'll give this device a proper review in another video. What's your thoughts on refurb devices? Would you ever consider buying a refurb device? Let me know down below in the comments. Personally, I'm not opposed to it. Over the years I've bought quite a few different grade A refurb products, and every single one of them has always been perfect. I can say that any of the grade A refurb stuff that I've ever got from Apple has always been literally like a new device. They've been pristine condition, and literally the only difference between those sorts of products I always found was literally they came in a plain box. Everything else was always brand new in them. So, but yeah, obviously Amazon being different, they're not going to be able to do the same with the likes of these devices here. These are obviously devices that have been used by other users. So, but reading up the terms and conditions, a full year's cover Amazon will give you with this device or any other refurb devices that you buy, which is pretty good for refurb stuff. A lot of places would only give you maybe 90 days of cover. So that there's reassuring that this device can be covered for up to a year with Amazon directly. So that's really, really good. And your returns, you can actually return this device from purchase from Amazon Renewed within 90 days as well, which is also pretty good service. So yeah, I'll be truthfully honest, I would like to get my hands on another couple of these devices just to see the quality of them, but I was really surprised at this one coming with the original box and things like that. That about covers this video, guys. Would you buy a refurb product? Let me know down below. Hope this video helps you out if you are considering buying a refurb product from Amazon. And if you have any questions, by all means, pop a comment down below. I'll give you my honest answer, no problem at all. As always, guys, hit that like button if you haven't already, and hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out in the channel. Really appreciate it, guys. And I'll go and get this phone set up, and then I will get a review done on this. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Ooh, that's very satisfying. Ooh. Right, time to go and play. Catch you later.